Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can run TikTok ads. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for TikTok Ads Manager. Open the website and you will be redirected to this type of page. In order to create an ads account, click on Get Started button right here. Then on the next page, you will be prompted to either sign in or sign up. So I will select sign up with TikTok, then sign in and authorize the login. Then it will ask you some questions like business name, industry, currency, and phone number. Simply enter the required information. Then they will ask you to enter the information again and apply for the ads account creation. After that, click on submit and you will have successfully applied for the ads account. Once the application is accepted, your account will be created. Then you can start setting your goals, create an ad and monitor it live. And that's how you can run TikTok ads. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.